Class 6, lesson number 9, HCF and LCM, practice set 24, word problems. If large square bed of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meter long and the 15 meter wide, what is the maximum possible length of the each bed? If it is the plot of one land, consider this is a plot. What is the length of this plot? 18 meter, and the wide means breadth is 15 meter. This we have to divide into the equal size beds. How many beds will be possible, that we don't know, and what will be the length of it, that also we don't know. So we have to find out that what will be the maximum possible length of the each bed. I will give you here one trick to solve it. It is very easy. What you have to find out here, HCF or LCM. Okay, so here maximum is asked. Maximum is asked means maximum is bigger, biggest, highest. So here you have to find out the HCF of the numbers. This maximum is the keyword for this example. From that you can understand, here you have to find out the HCF of the given numbers. So length of the plot is 18 meter, breadth of the plot is 15 meter. Therefore the maximum possible length of the each square bed is the HCF of the 18 meter and the 15 meter. So how to find out the HCF, that we have learnt already. Factors of 18, 15 and then the common factor from it, and choose the biggest common factor, that is 3. Therefore maximum possible length of the each square bed will be 3 meter. Here length will be the 3 meter. If 3 meter, so how many beds will form here? You can divide this 18 by 3, 6. So 6 beds will be formed like this. So this is the actual answer. Understood? So length of the each bed will be 3 meters. Like this you have to solve the example by using HCF and LCM. Second example is 2 ropes. From that, one is 8 meter long and the other is 12 meter long. And these ropes we have to cut into the pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length of the each piece be? Here also maximum word is used. So what we have to do here? Here also we have to find out the HCF of the 12 and 8 meter. So if consider these are the 2 ropes. This is 12 meter long and this is 8 meter long, and we have to cut these ropes with the equal length, means each piece length should be same. Understood it? So length of the rope 8 meter, length of the other rope 12 meter. The maximum possible length of the each piece of the rope of the same length that can be cut from the 2 given ropes is HCF of the 8 meter and the 12 meter. Factors of 8, factors of 12, common factors, and the HCF of 8 and 12 will be 4. So maximum possible length of the each piece of the same length will be 4 meter. So if you cut this meter rope by 4, you will get how many pieces? 3 there. And if you cut this 8 meter rope into 4 meter, you will get there 2 pieces. But only we have to write the maximum possible length here. How many pieces will be formed, that is not asked. So we will write this much answer only, that the maximum possible length, this maximum possible length of the each piece will be 4 meter.